what is the shape of the earth? The atheist will tell you that previously we thought the earth, it was flat. It was later on in 1577 where Sir Francis Drake, he traveled around the earth and he proved that the earth was spherical. The glorious Qur'an talks about the shape of the earth in Surah An-Nazi'at, chapter number 79, verse number 30. وَالْأَرْضَ بَعْدَ ذَلِكَ دَحَاهَا. And thereafter he has made the earth as an expanse. The glorious Qur'an talks about the shape of the earth. And another meaning, it refers to the shape of the earth being spherical. And we know the shape of the earth, it is not completely round like a ball, but it is geospherical in shape, flattened from the poles and bulging from the center. And we know regarding the shape of the earth that it is not completely round like a ball, but it is rather geospherical in shape. And it is similar to that, like the egg of an ostrich. So the glorious Quran talks about the shape of the earth. And it refers to it being geospherical in shape 1400 years ago, which science has discovered it recently. Who could have mentioned this in the glorious Quran 1400 years ago? The atheist, he will say, maybe your Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he was intelligent. Don't argue with him. Continue.